is a touch switch. It only needs one live wire, there's no neutral. It's a touch switch. This is free to you. It's too deep. This is a touch switch. Only uses one live wire but no neutral. You don't need neutral and you will light up. So one live wire goes in, one live wire goes out, and yeah, you will light up. It's pretty good. There's no touch, there's no switch. Unlike this guy. So this is just a touch only. I'm going to put it in and see how it works. I'm going to change this to a touch switch. So instead of a on-off, it's going to be a touch switch, which is this one. Yep. So let's try and see if it works. Before I continue, I have to switch off the power. I need to know which one is the live, which one is the live. Yep, to do that I need to switch on the main fuse to find out. So this is the live. I only test on the small light. I'm not testing on fluorescent light. Fluorescent light has got more wires joining. This is a glass. You have to be very careful because it's fragile. This is a glass. Can you hear? Oh, wonderful. Oh, I see. Look at how it looks like. At the back, when I open it, it's like that. Now I know how a touch switch looks like from the inside. According to the spec, for one gang, one way, is L live in and L2 go out. Not L1 or L3. That's for gang 2 and gang 3. So, well, let's try. Oh, there's a light. I'll show you. It's a very faint light. See? It's glowing. It says wait for 10 seconds, so I'm going to touch it with my finger. Can you see my finger? Oh! It turns red. Wow. Can you see? It turns red. Now it backs to blue. Oh goodness, great. I'm going to show you from another angle. I'm going to touch this. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Don't need to have this switch anymore. It makes a lot of noise. This is the product. It's called TouchSwitch. If you like, you can buy one and try it yourself. Just buy one and try first. I heard they have a problem with the one-way to gang, but and they only provide you, if there's a flicker, they'll give you a resistor. The resistor is this one. If there's a flicker, you need to connect this resistor to the light. If there's no flicker, you can keep this first. Keep this for the time being. Until it flickers, you put this in and it'll solve it, because normally when it flickers, it happens when there's no voltage going to the light, so this guy will become the battery to keep the light non-flicker. Buy if you like. I just bought one and try, and I think it's okay. I'm gonna buy one or two more where I need to use this. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.